Okay, so in this video we will create an average function. So that is similar to how we create the sum and the divide functions and all. So average function is pretty much same. So for that, to create an average function, we will go to the product lookups table and we will create a average product cost function. So for that, I will go to a new measure, and then here I will write average product cost, and in here I'm going to take the average function. So there is an average function already, and I will take the product price, sorry, the product cost. So I will take the product cost in here, the average product cost. Let me write cost also, and then I will close the bracket, hit enter, and then I will take the product average cost in here. And these values are working, and I don't really want to show it by product key. So what I will do, I will remove the product key from here, and instead of product key, if you remember, we have the product categories. So I will take the product category name under rows, and then I will take the product subcategory also in the rows. So you see what happens, there are some arrows in there. So what it is asking is, basically if you hover on this, it is showing that expand all down one level in hierarchy. So that means if I, let's see what happens if I click it. If I click it, you see, so under accessories, okay, this is the product category key. Sorry, we need the product subcategory name, not the key. So we will take the category name, and then we will click on this, and you see, so under the category accessory, we have this many subcategories. Then if I talk about bike, we have mountain bike, road bikes, touring bikes. Then under clothing, we have this, and under components, we have these things. And you have the total revenue, quantity ordered, quantity sold, return rate, and all. So now if you don't want to break this down, you can just click on this drill up. You see, drill up. If you just drill up, it will take you straight to the top. Now if I click on this one, so you see the drill mode is on. Now if you click on this, again it does the same job, but in this case, if you click on this and then if you click on this, it will not show the category. Instead it will show the subcategories. Now let me undo it, and let's go back up. Now if I go up, you see this is product category. Now if I go down, see this is subcategory. Now if I go up and if I click on this, this is the hierarchy. So what is hierarchy? Hierarchy is, we have the accessory on the top level, then under accessory we have this subcategories. So this is how you can play around with this drill up drill down function. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next lecture.